So hey guys, I'm Miggy Galvez, ID 120, and I'm currently taking up business management.
So for the first question, state your elective and provide a brief background.
So the elective that I took was MGTREND, and MGTREND is all about studying about the latest trends, especially in business, and how these trends change over time.
Second question, what prompted you to take this elective?
What prompted me to take this elective is kasi syempre there's change all over, and change is inevitable, and as well as in business, you have to meet and see the needs of the people, of the market, and as you know, these needs change over time. And with that, parang as a business leader or as a future business leader, I want to know how I can go along with these trends and parang be able to determine what's new, what's hot, and what's not. Parang ganun.
So for the next question, what are the characteristics a student must have in order to ace in this elective?
For me, I believe that for you to ace this elective, you really need to be, well, first creative, because you need to think of ways on how to innovate your products, on how to meet those trends, how to apply those trends in your business. And then second, you need to be masipag. Kasi for our elective, what we did, we always had these presentations wherein we had to look up these products, we have to look up these innovations, these new business trends, and then we have to present it in a span of 15 minutes. And you need to be good at research, because you need to support everything with data, with articles, etc.
So for the next question, can you share a memorable output that you have done in this elective?
For me, a very memorable output was the presentation. This is memorable because we get to see different trends na we don't know. Kasi syempre, for us, we're only limited to what we see around us, especially here in our country. But looking at it at a broader perspective, and with the topics that was given to us, it made us see a different kind of perspective and different kinds of trends na we can, or that are possible for us to apply here in the country, na that can bring success to a business or to a product. Yeah.
And for the next question, what significant lessons did you learn from your elective and how does it apply to your MGT course?
For me, what I truly cherish there and what I found really useful would be how you need to look at the market. You have to understand the market. You have to know the needs of the market. And then from there, you look at it, and then you think of ways on how to innovate. You think of ways on how to integrate these trends in order for you to get the fancy of the market. Yeah.
And lastly, what certain tips can you give to students who are planning to take this elective, as well as those who are currently taking it?
For me, you just really have to work hard in being able to get all the articles that you need. You need to do lots of research so that you can present your presentations well. Because of course, the teachers or the professors, they know what they're teaching. They know what they give us. So what they're looking for would be the understanding of the students, the key takeaways, and how we can integrate it in business in general. So, yeah.
So thank you so much for joining this interview.
Thank you.